As a mom of a preschooler and a kindergartner, I love Valentine's Day and I love that they go to school and get to bring home Valentines and give it to their friends, but the amount of candy they get is crazy. So I always try to find something that's not candy related. I found these zipper bracelets. Let me show you what they are. So these were actually sent to me and I just think it's so cute. So my preschooler can give these out and they practice their zippering skills with it. Plus it's wearable. So there's a little clip here and they can put it on. Their little hands can probably just slip right in there. And then it comes with a whole bunch of these cards. You get a whole stack of them. And these say, friends that zip together, stay together, friends forever. So I thought that was really cute. And then it says from and to. And then to get them on, you just kind of fold it like that. And then it has it on there. So my little daughter's going to give these out to each person in her class. These also just make really good party favors, and you can use them for different holidays too.